What's up, AP Bio Penguins? Today we're going to do a little AP Bio Math Minute looking at Hardy-Weinberg, specifically with a graph. So we've been given this graph showing our hypothetical population of insects, where if you have the dominant allele, it's red, and the recessive allele is going to be black. And in 1980, what percentage of the red insects are heterozygous? So we can see that on the y-axis, we're showing the frequency of the dominant allele. So in 1980, we can see that the frequency of our dominant allele is 0.3. So looking at the equation, we know that P plus Q equals 1, where P is going to be the frequency of our dominant allele, and Q is the frequency of our recessive allele. We also know that P squared, which would be our homozygous dominant, plus our frequency of our heterozygous, plus our frequency of our homozygous recessive is also equal to 1. So based on the chart, we know that P is equal to 0.3. I always use a chart when I solve this problem, so I'm going to go ahead and fill in 0.3 for our P value, knowing that P squared is going to give me P squared. So 0.3 squared gives me 0.09. P plus Q equals 1, so 1 minus 0.3 gives me 0.7, which is my Q value, which then if I square that, I can see that my Q squared value is 0.49. So if I sub in 2 times P times Q, that will get me 0.42. So I know that 42% of the population is heterozygous. But here's the thing. It asked me at 1980 what percentage of the red insects are going to be heterozygous. So I need to figure out which one of them are red. So homozygous dominant plus heterozygous is going to give me my red individuals. So I'm going to add together my P squared, put my 2PQ, which gives me 0.51. So if I want to know the percent of the red that are heterozygous, I'm going to take the number that are heterozygous over the total that are red, so 0.42, divide by 0.51, which gives me 0.82, and then convert that into a percent, and I get 82%. So in 1980, 82% of the red insects are going to be heterozygous. Hope this is helpful. Remember, AP Bio Penguins just assessed by y'all.